Hi, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to format the SD card on this device. Let's start by opening the settings by tapping this icon right here. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system settings. Here select storage and we have a SD card right here listed, and we have also the format option below it. Let's tap on it, then tap on format SD card to confirm. Now let's wait. Then tap done to confirm, and our SD card was formatted. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.